So today I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter, how you go from this old filter to this new filter on a Buick Regal. This is a 2014 Regal. Don't know what year it all covers, but if yours looks like mine, I'm going to show you how to get it done. So, cabin air filter is on the passenger side. You will have to remove the glove box. That is actually pretty easy. Let me show you how it's set up. So I already removed this, obviously, but this is normally how it would sit up in there. What you're going to have to do is take a small pry tool and pry this side piece off. And once that side piece is off, you're going to take out a screw here, screw down there, screw right there, and a screw down there. They're all 7 millimeter screws from the factory. So once you take that out, you can slide the glove box forward and bring it down. There is a cord right here for the glove box light. You can undo it, leave it in however you feel. And then once you get it down, this door right here flops down. There is a locking tab right here. Slide that. Locking tab over here, push that over there, and you can take a small flathead screwdriver or something and pry this one up and bring it down. All cabin air filters have an arrow on them, which is direction of flow. When I removed the old one, it was pointed down, so I'm going to replace this one with the arrow pointed down as well. You slide it in there, you close the lid, snap that one, and snap that one, and that's it. Put your glove box back together with your 4 7 millimeter screws, and you put this bad boy back in there, and that's it. You're done. So one of the reasons you want to replace your cabin air filter, I know a lot of people decline that service or just forget about it altogether, but you want to replace that filter because it works directly with the air power in your air conditioning unit. And what's going to happen is over time, when it gets clogged up, when that filter gets clogged up and dirty and filled with leaves and other like little pieces of debris, you'll turn your fan up to max, and it's not going to feel like it's at max. It's going to feel like it's on low. So you can hear mine right now. Blowing hard. I feel like a hurricane in here. So make sure you replace your cabin air filters, people. Very important, especially during the summertime.